Today at Okie's Hot Rod Garage, we're going to be installing a radiator. Picked up this fine piece off of eBay. I don't really know who makes it. I'm sure it probably comes from China, but that's alright. It's kind of neat because it looks like the original piece. After we got everything together, she's running a little hotter than what I'd like, so I figured we'd give this a shot and see what it does.
Gonna rub up against that.
Perfect.
If you ain't throwing flames, you ain't doing it right.
That's right.
Half inch, because that other one's about,
Yeah.
or maybe an inch wider. All that cooling capacities. Today, we are putting hose clamp on hose. At least they got the right size inlet and outlet. That one radiator had to swell the hose to get it on the...
Well, that's what I was worried about. That's way bigger than that other one.
That looks little on camera.
Well, that's not what we were shooting for.
Oh, dang it.
We'll never get that promotion
I
now.
like that 15-foot of hose you got there.
Well, the other one was over here. You don't remember that? Leak this motherfucker off right here.
You remember which one's which now?
Nope. Yeah, blue's hot.
Black could be hot too. It just mention which way you want to go.
No. We don't want her pulling. Already got forced induction. We got to take advantage of that. So let's lock that off right
Oh,
there.
God. You just wiring it.
Don't touch that. Zip tie right in there somewhere, I guess. Why bother putting that shit back on there for? It's gonna be all funky looking anyway. Whatever.
They say it covers up that blue wire.
Yeah. What's the top right there? Mm-hmm. Hell no, we gotta do this shit right.
Professionals.
Professionals. Give me another and put on there. So much for my weight reduction.
Getting all fancy with a vacuum feel.
Radiator goes.
Yeah. Yeah, we cheap around here. Is that where you got your color for your paint?
Seen a leak? Ship it. Talk to HR about a hostile work environment.
Spent more on the coolant than he did that radiator.
That's right. Might have to go dip some extra water out of the swimming pool.
You don't have one of those vacuum seals. You need to purchase one.
Makes dealing with an LS a whole lot easier.
Especially,
No more air pockets.
especially when you swap them into something. The configuration's a little different. Fire in the hole. Holly got us showing 190, both fans running. Keeping pretty steady.
The bottom of that radiator get hot, I can tell you that.
Got a little pressure on that hose.
Yeah, I don't know. Just have to drive and see how it does. I guess it driving. 190's not bad.
Yeah, that is weird. It's not even, yeah.
So the bottom of that hose is
So the
cold.
top of it's hot.
Yeah.
But yeah, the hose is not real hot up here, but thermostat housing's kind of hot. Huh. Hopefully it ain't plugged up. Well, we got to figure it out. We had a little temperature issue on the Holly. We had it a little set too high, so we turned it down and finally got thermostat to open. So here shortly we're going to go on a little test drive.
Thank you. Have a good one. All right.
Wake up, everybody.
You can see where somebody starts
Bounce. Damn, it's like a little wavy to the end.
That's the reason why I shut her down and somebody started popping.
The old tire started going, whoa. Damn, those are one time forward. There comes the car. Damn, no car burr loading up on